Anyway, you have to wear a mask. Wearing a mask, please.
Mm-hmm.
So the government's public relations department posted on its Facebook page an announcement by the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration regarding fines for people who will still fail to wear face masks in public. If you are caught without a face mask in public for the first time, the fine will not exceed 1,000 baht, according to the announcement. But for a second offense, the fine will range from 1,000 baht to 10,000 baht. For a third offense and so forth, the fine start from 10,000 baht but will not exceed 20,000 baht. The Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration has imposed a fine on people who do not wear face masks in public since April last year in red and orange zone provinces or areas with high infection rates. As infections continue to climb, the face mask mandatory zones had been expanded to cover the entire country in June 2021. The fine is based on the punishment clause stipulated in the Communicable Disease Act. So this is one thing that become our daily life, Papunina, that we have to wear
Mm.
a mask. So if we get used to it, so we should not be afraid of being fined. And for our tourists, what happened to the test and go plan that we expect to draw a lot of tourists to come to Thailand?
Wonderful, wonderful, very wonderful. So Test and Go draws over 23,600 tourist
Wow.
application as
Wow.
of on the first day that
Hmm.
it's resumed. So as I say, a total of 23,660 foreigners registered for Thailand Pass under Test and Go on Tuesday, which is the 1st of February, the first day that the Test and Go resumed. Um, I'm sorry. The first day that the Test and
The
Go
first day, right?
resumed, yes. So according to government spokesman Thanakorn Wangbunkhong said yesterday that this includes the response for the revival of the Test and Go scheme of a total of 29,194 people had registered for Thailand Pass as on Tuesday, 1st of February, and the number was likely to increase. So the Test and Go scheme aimed at bringing tourists back into the country without risking the spread of COVID-19 that had been launched in November last year, but was
Mhm.
paused for months later when the Omicron variant of the virus started spreading. Under the new Test and Go scheme, travelers are required to book and pay for accommodations and RT-PCR tests on their first and fifth days in Thailand. So comparing to before, travelers arriving at the Test and Go were only required to spend one night in the hotel and pay for one RT-PCR test. But now things have changed, so it will be on the first night and the fifth night. Foreign travelers are also required to have insurance with a coverage of no less than 50,000 US dollars. If the insurance does not cover the cost of isolations after the traveler is infected or a high risk of infections, then the traveler must cover the cost of isolation themselves. While Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha had ordered every organization to proceed with economic activities to welcome tourists with strict public health measures. There is also the policy to publicize Thai tourism and culture with soft power. The tourism strategy is being adjusted to support health tourism so as to create opportunities and increase income for people in the country.